Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you some interesting words and they are very simple. You're going to combine two words to bring a new word today and I'm going to give you some examples. Okay, the two words are hungry plus angry. Okay, connect these two words and you will be able to find a very beautiful word that is hungry. Yes, so hungry plus angry is equal to hangry. So what is the meaning of this word hangry? Hangry means, have you ever seen a person gets angry whenever they feel hungry? See, I often get angry whenever I feel hungry. Have you ever come across such situation, and in such situation have you ever reacted very badly? So if you have reacted in a different way, can you just list out that particular situation below? Yeah, are you able to do it? Okay, I'm going to give you another two words you're going to combine to bring a new word. Car plus hijack. Okay, car plus hijack is equal to carjack. Car plus hijack is equal to carjack. So what is the meaning of carjack? See, if a person has bought a car for loan, yes, so what will happen if he is unable to complete his loan? What will happen? They will come and just inform him, this is the last and first warning, you need to pay your loan properly. If you don't pay, automatically this car will be taken by us very forcefully. So the exact meaning which I am giving you right now, you will be able to identify it. One second, let me just read this one. To take someone's car by force. So this is the exact meaning of this word. And the third word, I'm going to give you two words to combine. Yes, chill plus relax. So these two words will be combined and you will get a new word, chillax. Chillax. So what is the meaning of chillax? Chillax, whenever you feel totally stressed or depressed, you find a very beautiful place like this. Yes, are you able to find a very beautiful place? Yeah, are you able to see my background? It's really too chill, too cool. So it's not too hot, it is too chill because I am standing under the coconut trees. There are many trees, so the place is very chill. So what is the exact meaning of this word, chillax? So calm down. You love to stay in a quiet place. You love to just enjoy the nature whenever you get angry, whenever you are totally stressed, or whenever you are totally depressed, you find a very beautiful place. Yes, so this is the exact meaning of chillax. Yes, the next word, I'm going to give you two words you're going to combine. Yes, that is chuckle plus snort. Chuckle plus snort. Just combine these two words. Okay, we will get a very beautiful word, that is chortle. Chortle. Laugh in a breathy, gleeful way. Have you ever seen a people laughing in a gleeful way? Gleeful. Some people they are so quiet laughing at you, and they just criticize you by laughing inwardly. Yes, have you ever seen such kind of people in your life? Yeah, if you have ever seen such kind of people in your life, and if you have ever met such kind of people in your life, please list out. The next word which I'm going to give you, those two words are really very unique words, familiar words, friend and enemy. See, when you connect these two words, you will be able to find frenemy. Frenemy. So what is the exact meaning of it? Let me read it. Someone who is supposed to be a friend, but whose actions are more characteristics of a foe, of an enemy. See, you may have a friend, they cannot be a friend always, correct? Sometimes they behave like an enemy. Have you ever come across such situation? If you come across such situation, you can just list out below. And I'm going to give you many words. Please watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel. Next two words are she plus hero. So what is the new word, or when you combine these two words? So when you combine these two words, Okay, the next two words are she plus hero. She plus hero is equal to Shiro. Have you ever heard this name? Yeah, actually Shiro is the name of a dog, but this is not the exact meanings. But I will explain you very clearly. A woman admired or idolized of her courage, outstanding achievements or noble qualities. Have you ever seen such kind of people? You may call them as heroine. Yes, heroine of the particular movie. So you can call them as Shiro also. Shiro is also another name. You can use it. Okay, the next two words I'm going to give you, that is work and alcoholic. Workaholic. So when you combine these two words, you will be able to find workaholic. Yeah, you will be able to form a new word, workaholic. So what is the meaning of this word? An individual who works excessively, who works excessive hours. Have you ever seen people, they often work, you know, they will cross the limit and they work continuously, consistently. Yeah, so very, you know, you might have seen people, they are hard-working people. Okay, I hope you have understood all these words. So better you can just find out some words and just list it out below, or else you can make some sentences using these few new words. You can make some sentences and send it to me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too. Bye, take care.